My name is Jaime Rivera, and welcome to Pocketnow. Now, if you know me very well, I am tall, dark, and handsome.
Anyways. It is Tuesday, February 11th, 2020, Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. Our video for the Galaxy S20 is already live, but the thing about it is, well, you saw the teaser at the Oscars. There is more inside. We flew all the way here to San Francisco to see what they've got. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and let's begin.
Smartphone. It's for trendsetters and trailblazers. It's like nothing you've ever experienced before. In a new, perfectly compact form factor.
And now, it is my great pleasure to introduce the brand new Galaxy S20. Joining us online for the first time ever. Unpacked is being captured and streamed with the amazing Galaxy S20.
So yes, that was it for the keynote. A lot of products announced. We are currently at the hands-on area. A lot of people here. It's crazy crowded. They do have the S20 on display, the Galaxy Buds Plus, but also that Galaxy Z Flip. Had the opportunity to handle it for a little bit. It's just so many people there, and for an obvious reason. But we have a separate hands-on area. So instead of going crazy here, let's go over there. But yes, it is finally time. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. I tried to get a hands-on video at the event, but the venue was just crazy. This is actually a better fitted place. Thing about it is, this device is not like the Galaxy Fold. It's not trying to fit a tablet in your pocket. It's Samsung's second foldable. It's more to compete with the RAZR. It's trying to be a clamshell phone, but it's actually a lot better than the RAZR in a ton of ways. First, the design seems to be a bit more refined since this phone is not trying to look like any legacy device. We've got a glass and aluminum body that's very shiny, so much so that, yes, this is quite the fingerprint magnet. The hinge that makes this device possible is now not just a story of the amount of mechanisms, but also a collection of fibers that spares you of any drama of debris getting into the hardware. Honestly, it feels very light in the hand though. At 183 grams, you can pick of one of two colors, it seems, black and purple, since the gold one that we saw teased is only available in select markets. Second, even if Samsung hasn't provided final specs in a press release, we do know that it brings flagship specs like a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of UFS 3.0 storage, though not expandable. We have a much larger 3300 mAh battery that's 15-watt quick charge and 9-watt wireless charging through Qi. We've got Wi-Fi AC, Bluetooth 5, but your guess is as good as mine as to whether this device is water resistant or not. I doubt that it is. Third is that we actually have good cameras here. There's a 12 megapixel standard at f1.8 aperture, OIS, and 1.4 microns, and then we have an ultra-wide 12 megapixel camera at f2 aperture, 1.12 microns, and 123 degrees of field of view. At the front, we have a 10 megapixel punch hole selfie shooter with an f2.4 aperture and 1.22 microns and 80 degrees of field of view. Fourth, this would be the first foldable with a glass display. This is a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED that Samsung is dubbing its Infinity Flex at 1080p plus resolution and 21.9:9 aspect ratio. Yes, there is a crease, but you do have to see it from an angle to actually notice it. And there's actually a secondary Super AMOLED display outside at 1.1 inches. Let's just call this more for notifications, and you can actually also use it for selfies. Fifth, the software and the hardware were actually tailored to take advantage of the form factor. You can lay this phone on a table and have it take photos of you and also take photos of the scenery, and we hear that more applications will be adapted to take advantage of the form factor. Last but not least, the price. At $1,380, this device doesn't just make the RAZR look bad, but if you think about the specifications and what you get, unless you're looking for a tablet in your pocket, this device even makes the first generation Galaxy Fold look bad. Again, your needs may vary, and you do not need a clamshell phone, but seriously, for this price tag, this device would be my favorite foldable so far. But anyways, this has been it for our coverage of Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2020. So far, I have to say this was quite the show. Our review units of the Galaxy S20 Ultra should be in very shortly. In addition to this Galaxy Z Flip, we are hoping that we are getting one for review. I expect that we are. But anyways, let us know what you think about everything that got announced in the comments down below. What was your favorite? And while you're at it, follow us on social media. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Also follow me on my personal handles to see me play around with the Galaxy Z Flip. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.